arm.
Okay, coming up on the show this week, we make a 3D printed RC coaxial plane. The FPV feed is coming through right there. You can see it coming through on my watch right there. And the parachute is all done. The flaps are all working. You can see the flaps all coming through right there. Okay, so now let's go and check the throttle. Okay, and now parachute release. Okay, this week we head out on the water with this Waypoint mission capable RC boat. So this week on the MkII Drone Racing Show, we're continuing on with the quad tilt rotor. Okay, this week on the MkII Drone Racing Show, we test the markIII RC wingsuit in the winter. Here we go. Oh, hang on. It'll be like, the chute won't open if you go that way. In 3, 2, 1, here we go.